Hi guys, konnichiwa from Japan. Like to this, ang ano, isang single daddy with 2 kids in Japan. Nanimpad para sa kaugmaon. Lagnong kayo. Anyways, I just got home from the city hall, guys, because I requested for cancellation of my national health insurance. So, diri sa Japan, guys, bisan pag pinaka-lowest imong sweldo, required yun ka, compulsory siya, nga mag-enroll ka og health insurance is a must, guys. So, however, kay nag-transfer mo ko company, yeah, I need to cancel it because my new company has another insurance, so dili siya the same. So gitagaan ko nila certification nga gi-enroll na ko nila ato nga insurance. They call it social insurance. So ang akong previous is national health insurance. So tagaan ko ng certification nga na-enroll na dito, so niadto kog City Hall, i-cancel na ko ang national health para dili bitaw magdubli-dubli ang akong bayro nun kay lisod na. So the process was fast and easy. Yes, kay mga wala ra nag 5 minutes, gi-hand lang na ko ang katong document from my new company nga gi-enroll ako nila sa social insurance. So that's it. Pag after few minutes, ginalay ko na nga warimasta, meaning it's done, finished now. But akan pa ito siya istorya. So if you are here in Japan or if you're planning, don't worry guys if basta teacher lang ha. Kay sa teaching man go dili required ang Nihongo. So yeah, dili required ang Japanese. So don't worry if you are zero. I am totally zero Japanese. Kapanan ako anime before pero garilay gyud ko sa subtitle. But yeah, di wala siya naka-apekto sa akong application sa bago na akong company. Though nasa like char nga gipa-introduce imong self in Japanese, but it was just like for compliance. It's not really a requirement. Yeah, it was a success today. Hopefully, wala sa to'y kuan something kay masad gyud ko kasabot actually sa giingon nila basta yung sila warimas ta, meaning it's finished or it's done, the process is done. So I said arigatou gozaimasu, that's the only thing I know. Onegaishimasu, yoroshiku onegaishimasu, nga na lang. So yeah, it was a success and thank you very much. And yes guys, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions about teaching job in Japan, yeah, you can PM me. Yes, I'd love to answer all your questions. And that's it. This has been Recto des, and see you in the next one. Matane.